In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an origami AI video with Seedance 2.5. So to do that, first we need to create an account in NovoAds AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And after you create the account, you will arrive here. Here we need to go to the video section, and now we have to click in settings. Now here in model, we're going to choose the model Seedance 2.5, and in the duration, we're going to use 8 seconds. Now here, if you want, you can upload images, audios, and videos of reference. And another thing is that in the aspect ratio, if you want the video to be horizontal, you can change it here to 16:9. So well, now where it says write your prompt, we're going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section, and this prompt is divided in 2 sections. The top section, where I describe what will happen in the scene, and the bottom section, that is where I describe the style of the scene. This is the important section because if you want, you could erase this, create your scene, and this is the section that decide the style of the scene. So well, let's put that back, and now we have to click here, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it. Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the origami effect. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that the prompt will be in the comment section and that you can try this platform for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.